guys, good afternoon, I guess. Today is Saturday and I am on my way to go run some errands. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not really feeling today. Not really feeling today at all. I'm not really feeling, I haven't been feeling the whole week actually, because this whole week was just kind of just jacked up for me. Hold on. Yeah, I haven't been on the road, like I haven't driven in a long time. Like it does feel like forever, and I don't really remember how to hold the phone to vlog for you guys while I'm driving, so it's a bit confusing. Yeah. Guys, this past week has been just frig up. Today's Saturday, as I say. It's like no, it's not even afternoon. When my head there, it's basically 11 o'clock. Yeah. I just feel like I haven't done this in a long time though. So I'm just try to get it together for now. No makeup today, not in the mood, as I say. Just not really feel the vibes for the nothing at all. It's just that I really have to run on the road to sort out some stuff, and I just have to do it. That's the only reason why I'm even going anywhere, because I really just don't feel it, you know. Let me explain what the past week has been like for me. My vibe has been on zero since Monday or Sunday. I don't even know. My vibe just up on zero. I just feel unmotivated. I just feel like I just can't bother. I've just been feeling like I was going to quit YouTube, because I just never did I feel it, yo. Like, I don't know if I explain, but that's not something I never did I feel it, and I don't really like push myself, force myself. I'm a vibe person, and if my vibe and my energy not good, then I'm not go on do no work. Like that's how I am. So I just never want to push myself. So I'm just easy. Recorded like about 2 videos this week for the whole week. I think I recorded only 2 videos or 3 videos. That's nothing because I'm home like most of the time. So you know, like that's nothing. However, come to find out later on down in the week, but Wednesday night, if you guys don't live in Jamaica, because I mean I've seen my analytics and a lot of my viewers are from the US. Actually 50% of you guys are from the US, so I'm guessing you guys either are from the diaspora or you just like Jamaican culture and you watch my videos or my vlogs specifically for that reason, you know. So a lot of you guys won't even know, like basically be able to keep up with what's actually happening in terms of the violence and them some of the like people just out here are dead, them just are drop like, and guys, it had drained my energy wicked. It had drained my energy. I'm tired of seeing people dying around me, and it's just depressing, and I need to shake off the mood here, because the sad thing is life goes on. Like that's the sad part about it. Life goes on and you just have to keep on doing what you have to do. I feel like that's sadder than losing people, like, you know. Come to find out later on in the week, about Wednesday night, one of my friends died. They killed him, and like even now, like I'm just you kind of would feel like yeah, wait for somebody to tell you something, no, so like, you know, like he's still alive. I kind of just wait upon that, you know. So it's like it kind of take me a while to start feel bad, and it's like every day I get up, and because people keep on to die, you think of people where you lose, and then you're like, but shit, them not come back, you know. And like it just frig up, like people I don't even know if I say, guys, people are dying and they're not coming back. They might lose them life, and this guy was like 20 something, young. So it's not like he had lived any life. He was just a trying person, and January, like it's messed up. It's really messed up. And big man thing, gone are the days in Jamaica when our old people are dead and they only died because they're sick or them just die of old age, you know. Gone are those days. Them days they're from when me I look a pitney, I guess. Cause now only young people are dead. I mean, like, you know, them teens, early teens, late teens, and like your early 20s. Only them people they are dead, and me don't really know why. but it's just so depressing as a young person. Me does not feel no hope in that place there. Honestly, like I just don't feel hopeful, and this mood is like me need to get out of it. Me need to get out of it because sadly you just have to move on with life. You just have to move on. You just have to keep on and do what you do and try to make it for the people them where you know them that I try and them just drop out. It's like that's what I feel try convince myself to do right now, you know, for just go and push until I make it one day and can say, yo, you know, we'll make it. But you know, like the brother there was one of the person that we did kind of look forward to, because he's more ZJ's friend than my friend, but we kind of did that. There was a crew, guys. We just kind of look forward to the day for come when the crew can eat some food together, you know them way there. And it break my heart, yo. It really break my heart, and it's unfair. It's unfair. It really unfair. But I don't know what else to say. It just freak up my mood just jacked. Like I'm trying to get back there, so that's why I'm gonna say, oh, maybe the drive will help me clear my head. So of course I'm gonna use music for help me do that right now. Woof, guys, yo, I truly never know, yo. I just feel blah. I just feel like can't bother, really can't bother. But I know, rest in peace, Squeaky. I'm gonna just try shake up the mood here. I have something to collect at the couriers, and then I have to go to Bill Express to pay a bill. And then I got to go do one more other little thing and then come back home. That's it. But the funny thing is, I'm on the verge of a new venture in my brand, and I'm really looking forward to your support, guys. So it's going to be coming around in December, so you guys can look out for it. It's going to be like a Christmas type thing. But I really hope you guys show me love with that venture. Yeah, so let's go. Let's see what this day holds today. Really and truly, me just want to do what me I do so I can come back off of the road. Okay guys, I look like one troll, but I just collected my package. Yeah, I'm not telling her what to walk into the car now. Hello. As if.
But she ain't the only one. Oh, got the chick I call her Katia. She be acting bougie, then she came through and tied me up. Now she just a group of what they want, what they want, what they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want.
Oof. Okay guys, I'm finally home. God no, out the road rough is say, like out there full of people because people are doing like back to school shopping and stuff. So out there is jam-packed. I want to show you guys this wig. Just made a video on it. And I just wore this today because you know when I can't bother, like that's how I feel. So I'm gonna have the link for that in the description bar below. Fix my shirt. Yeah. So but I just made Marla a bottle. She hadn't eaten since I left, so I'm about to go feed her now and see if I can cool off, find a nice TV series to watch, and clean the room because I haven't done any of that before I left. So yeah. Can you help? Help. Another bottle. I'm looking like a dude because I took my wig off. I'm watching, what is it? This movie on TBS. Marla's in her crib looking at me like, why you put me in here? I'm just chilling, guys, trying to wind off this day. I'm eating some butter kiss. I don't know if you guys know this snack, but butter kiss is, it's not the ish, they're better snacks, but it's what I have, so I might eat. Oh, the mukbang video, I almost forgot. I'm gonna film a mukbang for you guys tomorrow, yeah. As I said, my wig details will be in the description bar below. I'm sorry to be giving you guys boy right now. Yeah, I just can't bother. I hope you guys are appreciating my transparency. I just feel like I can be as real as possible with you guys because I really have nothing to hide. So this is me. This is the real me. But yeah, give me a thumbs up, make me feel better. I'm just trying to relax and get my mind together. Oh, I have a video, guys, hold on. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this video right here was supposed to make it focus. Okay, so this video right here was supposed to go up like today. I wanted to put it up today, however I have to wait until the company what do you call it, until they approve the video before I can put it up. So this is the video for the week actually. So once it's up, I'm gonna put it in the description bar below. Definitely gonna go up before this vlog though. So but yeah, guys, it's mad cloudy outside. Let's see if I can show you guys outside. See guys, like that's how it looks. It's really cloudy on this side. The other side looks worse. Yeah guys, so that's it for this vlog today. Hope you guys didn't find me too boring. Oh shit. Hope you guys didn't find me too boring. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put up the mukbang as soon as possible. Send me some positive vibes in the comments down below because I'm just feeling like zero right now. But yeah, and if you have anything to say about what's happening in Jamaica right now, if you've heard or if you live here, and just tell me what you think about it and about their special zone of whatever them call it, because what they plan to do now is like have special ops in like particular parts of the country, and I honestly think the whole country need friggin' special ops, but I don't know. Let me know what you think down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time.